In this video, I will show you how to remove a business account from Instagram. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So go ahead and open up Instagram and select your profile picture at the bottom right. Once you do, go ahead and tap on the three lines that you see at the top right-hand corner, and then scroll down and select Business Tools and Controls. You're going to find it right here. Here, you're going to have the option at the bottom to switch account type. Go ahead and tap right here. And now you can switch back to a personal account. Remember that if you switch back to a personal account, you are going to lose access to Meta Business Tools and Ad Manager. So if you are okay with that, simply tap on switch to personal. And that's it. Now, if you want to make your account private, you need to simply select account privacy and enable the option. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.